What's up guys, we are watching Sick Technologies, and today I'm going to tell you about the automatically disappear messages on your WhatsApp. And if you are new on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And I'm going to share my screen on my left side. So here we go to the settings, on the WhatsApp settings, and simply you just tap on the data management and the manage data. Here we are, you just simply tap on the turn on disappearing messages, and here we are, default message timer and apply timer to chats. So here we, and the default message timer, if you want to off it at 90 days, if you want to disappear after 90 days, 7 days and 24 hours, you just tap and select this one. So if you want after 24 hours, you just tap on the 24 hours. So that's how, that simply you can set an automatic disappear message on your WhatsApp. And if you're new on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and a like.